Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to recharge empty batteries in Subnautica 2. So first of all, you'll need to unlock the blueprint for the battery terminal, which you can get by going to the old habitat and searching it through and finding the battery terminal and scanning it with a scanner. This can be found inside of this part of the building right here by going up this ladder and through this hole. So once you've found it, you can travel back to your base with the battery terminal blueprint unlocked. Once you're back at your base, you want to pick out your habitat builder and scroll throughout the interior facilities, and here you'll see the battery terminal inside of the power tab. Here you'll need 2 titanium, 2 times quartz, and 1 copper wire. The copper wire can be made inside of the fabricator from 2 coppers. Titanium can be found inside of the beginning biome, on the ground, literally anywhere, and the quartz is mostly located inside of these coral domes. So, once you've gathered all the materials, you can pick out the habitat builder and build the battery terminal on the wall. Nextly, you want to go ahead and open the storage and place your batteries inside. As you can see, they are going to be getting some power. They are going to be recharging. Also, you can see their recharged level on this side. With the full circle light up is meaning it's fully charged. So this is pretty much all how to charge your batteries in Subnautica 2. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.